Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I scrub my face using activated charcoal. But first, I make sure I wipe off every dirt and makeup on my face before applying the activated charcoal. I'm actually taking my time to do this because my face needs to be very clean. So that's why I'm taking my time to do it. And you need like 2 or 3 wipes to be sure that your face is thoroughly clean, because it will really show on the wipe that your face is clean. If you notice, the last one doesn't have any dirt or any color on it, because I've been able to wipe off all the makeup on my face. I'm using Beauty Formula facial scrub with activated charcoal. Pour an amount on your palm, then apply on your face. Make sure you apply it thoroughly, apply it everywhere on your face, on every area on your face. So wipe off every dirt because you're going to scrub it. So make sure you apply it first before scrubbing. So when you are scrubbing, make sure you scrub your neck, your chin. Make sure you apply it everywhere, not just your face, your neck, and also your ear. And after applying, you start scrubbing. Scrub it thoroughly. I really take my time to do this because I want my face to be very clean, to remove all the whiteheads and everything. So make sure you scrub thoroughly. If you have a dark lip like mine, make sure you apply on your lip and also scrub. Scrub everywhere, your eyes, everywhere. Make sure it goes everywhere and you scrub it thoroughly. I want the charcoal to penetrate my skin and give me this smooth effect. That's why I do this. Make sure you also scrub your ear and also your neck. After scrubbing, you wait for 30 minutes before you wash. After 30 minutes, I wash off everything on my face using water. Most times I use just running water to wash everything off. So after washing, I use a towel to clean my face because I want everything to be smooth. So use towel. Get a very clean towel, wipe off your face. So I wipe off my face. You can actually see the effect, the after effect. It feels so good. I love the after effect. So I do this like once or twice in a week, maybe Monday and Saturdays. That's my weekly routine. I love the way it feels. It makes my face very smooth. So you should try this. I'm sure you'll love it. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.